Here is the unboxing for the Learning Kit vinyl. So the first thing you want to do is go to where the top is, and it has like the little adhesive to keep it closed, and just slide off the top. And now you have a box. So with this box, put that to the side. You're gonna want to go and take the tape off right here. So I use my true knife blade. It works really nice because then I can just slice it. And now I can open and see what's inside. So you just open it up, and the first content is you have the quick start guide. We're going to need that, so we're just going to set that to the side. So when we go on a computer, what we need to do is download the lesson plan. So once that's downloaded, I'll be able to use it. And then the weeder and the scraper. So I'm going to set those also to the side, take off the top. And there's a Cricut Materials cheat sheet for beginners, which is really cool because it lists out all the different materials and it tells what it's great for in a project. So I'm going to set that to the side as well. And then here's the other materials. It has transfer tape. It comes with both the standard as well as the strong grip. And it comes with the smart vinyl. This is the permanent metallic. Ooh, that's pretty. And then the shimmer. Okay, so there's two shimmers. I think it comes with, yeah, the gold and the purple. That's really pretty. And that's permanent. And then there's some smart vinyl that's permanent. And the smart vinyl just means that you do not need a mat to use. You just put it right in a machine. And here are the different colors. And here's the smart vinyl removable. And here are the sheets that comes with as well. So this is really nice and convenient to have all of these different materials for the learning kit. And now the next thing I need to do is go online to the learning plan so I can put some projects together and use this stuff. First, you want to go into the learning plan and you want to scroll down to vinyl. Once you go to vinyl, you want to scroll down through the videos. First, watch the intro to vinyl, but we're going to go ahead and get started with lesson 1. So go ahead and select lesson 1, cut and apply a vinyl decal. So after you select begin, lesson 1, cut and apply a vinyl decal, you'll have a dialog box that will come up and it'll kind of guide you through this lesson. And so the first thing you want to do is kind of move it out the way so that you're able to follow along with it. So now you just want to select the bounding box and resize it. And you could size it down or make it larger, whatever you like to do depending on what you're going to make. So I just size mine down slightly, and then I go ahead and select make it, and now I'm ready to make my project. So I'm going to go ahead and select without mat. Now you can get your smart vinyl and load it into the machine. I use the permanent vinyl, and after you're finished cutting, you want to weed it out. You get your weeder and you weed, and then you take your transfer tape, you cut it to the size, maybe slightly larger, and then you burnish it, and then you apply to your blank, and there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like my channel and subscribe.